YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you. Fun piece. This whole book is really great. I'm enjoying every one of these pieces I'm playing for you guys, and I hope you are too. So if you made a good selection for your ABRSM exam, I hope you're happy with your choice, and I hope that you're enjoying the selection. Really, I think the organizers of the book did a really good job putting this together, and really, I don't think I would have done a better job. This is great. If you guys are enjoying the videos, please consider subscribing to my YouTube membership site. It's just a couple of dollars, not really a lot for most people, but it makes a difference for me in the channel I'm creating for the rest of you, the rest of the group, watching my videos. So I hope to see your support this way. Thank you very much.